just have my maiden of this. It was kind of made incidentally. I was working on a wing for another project and realized I got the sweep on it wrong. I was shooting for 20 degrees and accidentally made this one 25 degrees. And then I was like, well, it's pretty, so I decided to add some stuff. I've got a Runcam Ant with my old TBS Unify Nano VTX in there, in a Mobula 6 HD canopy. This is really the way to go. Just get Whoop canopies and put your stuff in there. It's all right there. I have it connecting to the 5-volt on the receiver, and then I've got kind of the regular wing profile. I'll try going fast on it and see what we get for time. But either way, this is like a great simple wing. It's solid. Once I get the weight a little better on it, then I'll probably be even more solid. But I mean, just for a fun flyer, this is awesome and super simple.
Realize your way, make you levitate. Unholy shakes with a movement fake, they make you levitate. More of this, I cannot take, make you levitate. Real hip hop, copy, editor, paste. We gon' make you levitate. Patiently wait, said it to you, now say it to me. Every day, boy, 45 degrees. I'm 30 something, ease and lubricate. Might sound nasty, but it's smart strategy. Chamomile, not your cup of tea. Mediate, have a little faith. It's okay, only your law be great. It's official, make your own way. Like it don't know me at a constant rate. Navigate, when defending the brakes. Talking that, find me, hate. Looking for eternal in temporary states. Combinate, red break, IA. Even got mom saying, boy, don't hate. Fall of the week, don't be scared, cool. Elevate, whatever it takes.
Alright, so I've done a few flights on this. And this is one of my better ones here. And I just freestyled it. I really like this. This allows me to mess with the center of gravity and not have to worry about being tight. I also don't like having my battery just sticking out, so this gives it some protection when it lands or crashes. Hopefully it just ever lands. This is all fine. This is a mess, but I mean, you make the motor point backwards. This is a great setup. Might even do the same with a Walk Snail 1S or something. Figure out the weight. But yeah, overall, you can't ask for more. You get good flight time. It goes reasonably fast and it's nimble. You shoot all types of gaps and do cool stuff with it. So yeah, this is a win. So sweet.